All right, guys. It's Mr. Risk every time. Let's remove all these things, guys. We are preparing. When the market opens, we are in, guys. We are just doing some preparations right now. This is Mr. Risk, guys. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time, guys. All right, guys. For the people who are joining live, this is Mr. Risk every time, guys. We are live right now. We are live right now, trending at Kenya right now, guys. This is Mr. Risk. We are just preparing the market right now. We are just preparing the overview of the market right now, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe. How will this forex market open, guys? All right, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time, guys. We are preparing on how actually the market will open the market every time. We are here just to do some preparation. When the market opens, we just look for 2 to 3 hours, guys. We just enter a trade, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time, guys. So I'm just doing what? All right, let me have a cup of a tea right now, guys. Remember to leave a like, right? Okay. Just we want to prepare. There is a trend that I left running. This is Mr. Risk every time, guys. I'm trading live right today. All right. For the people who are joining right now, this is Mr. Risk every time. I trade Forex. We are just preparing the market before it opens, right? It's better to prepare ourselves before the market opens, guys. For the people who are watching live right now. All right, let me have a cup of tea right now. This is Mr. Risk every time. Currently trading at Kenya. Eventually, I'm trading at Kenya, guys. Let me know where you're watching from, guys. This is Mr. Risk. I'm trading from Kenya. I'm analyzing the market before the market opens, guys. Right now, let's ask ourselves, guys. How did the market? The first thing that we need to do is to go to the higher time frame, that is a daily time frame. Actually, this is the daily time frame, guys. So let's ask ourselves and do some markups here. How will the market, will it continue the rally down every time? Will it go down, guys? There is a trend that we are holding here. We entered that day and just the market closed before, guys, our target was met, guys. All right. This is Mr. Risk every time, trading at Kenya right now. Let me see in comment section, guys. Let me see in comment section. People are commenting right now. This is Mr. Risk, guys. So we are here, guys. We are traders. Before the market opens, we are just preparing ourselves. In fact, we are just preparing ourselves. How will this market run? How will this market move? Yes, we are forex traders. We are here, guys. Previous daily time frame, it is a very strong bearish candle. Note this. If you're watching from Mr. Risky channel, let me know in comment section, guys. If you're watching from Mr. Risk Trading community, let me know. If you want to join our community description, there is a link there. You tap it and join Mr. Risk that is trading community, guys. All right. This is Mr. Risk right now, guys. Trading live at Kenya right now, guys. All right. So we are preparing the market right now, guys, and we are saying that the last previous candle of the daily time frame, they closed very strong bearish, right? So identifying that the market is going what? It's going down. All right, so the probability of the market to go down, it is very high, guys. Let me see in comment section, what is your plan in trading actually, or are you planning to trade gold, guys? Or for the people watching live right now, guys, so what is your plan in trading today? In fact, guys, I'm trading live right now, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time, guys. So all right, let me have a cup of tea. Right, to improve the sound quality. I think you can hear Mr. Risk very well, guys. This is Mr. Risk, guys. We are just looking at the overview of the market right now. just I'm asking, we are coming here, guys. We are looking the previous daily candle. The previous daily candle, it closed strongly bearish. Not this, eh? This is the previous daily candle. In fact, here is the previous daily candle. This previous daily candle, let me see in comment section. It closed very strong, but there is something that is it we need to mark here. There is this support here, there is this support here actually. And remember, in Mr. Risk Forex trading, we mark support like zones. So we are not just marking at this line here. Let's just praise it like a zone, because the market can react any place from here, guys. Yes, the market can react any place like that. So after marking it like a zone, we just come and change this color here for it to be visible according to how we mark actually. Yes, that is very nice, guys. All right, remember to leave a like. Let me see in comment section, what are you hoping when the market will it open with a gap? How will the market open, guys? Let me see in comment section, guys. If you're watching, this is Mr. Risky Forex Trading, and we are actually trading live on gold. This is gold, guys. We kill the zones every time. We trench up, we train wisely every time. This is Mr. Risky. Welcome to Mr. Risky. That is trading channel live here every day. In fact, we trade here every day, guys. We trade professionally. We don't come here to gabble and to do some shit of things. We come here to train professionally. What is professionally, guys? We trade following what we call a strategy. We trade following what we call a trading plan. We don't just come here to trade. Oh, we just enter some trends and move. No, no, no. We are coming here trading professionally traders, right? If you're watching from trading community, from Mr. Risk Forex Trading community, let me know in comment section, guys. We are just doing some preparation before the market opens, guys. Let me see. All right, how will the market open? So right now, according to me, the market will open with a very small gap. In fact, a very small gap going up. In fact, yes, a very small gap. So the plan of the day is just bearish. But how will the market open, guys? So look here right now. Look here right now. Let me go to the daily time frame. Not daily, in fact. Yes, right now I'm going to, not daily, in fact, let me go to 1 hour. Guys, how will this 1 hour, how will this market move? Guys, note this. The market has been in a downtrend right now. As the market has been in a downtrend. Let me take a cup of tea right now. All right, guys, we are back right now. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to change up to wisely every time, guys. So I'm explaining something here very important. How will this market open? According to you, how do you see this market will continue the rally down? Yes or down or no? Guys, right now the market has tapped a key level here. You can see here previous, this is a key level. Not this. The market tapped here previous days and moved up. The market came and tapped the same zone, and the market moves up, and the market has come down to the same zone. Do you understand? How do you expect now the market to move down? It is very hard. In fact, let's explain the reality of the matter. Right, even though the bearish says that the market is moving down, eventually the market, that candle is very strong, and most of the traders will trade price action without combining with anything. Remember, if you want to be successful in forex trading, combine some things, combine some logical things that, yes, I can see people are giving me like right now. Let me see in comment section right now. All right, guys, this is Mr. Risky every time. Remember to change up train Wesley every time, guys. So I'm saying like this. Right, so the market has tapped this key level here, in fact, because this key level was respected here. Remember, this is a daily time frame support, and this daily time frame support, it has been up, and even if you go to that H4, in fact, the market has been tapping here, reacting up, tapping here, reacting up, tapping the same zones, and the market is going up. Right, so this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to change up train wisely every time, guys. So what is the plan of the day? So the plan of the day, it is just to use the three rule method strategy that I use here every time, guys. If you're watching from Mr. Risk Trending Community, let me know right now in comment section. Just right now, I'm from Mr. Risk Trending Community. I will see is I have my students here are very keen, guys, and if you want to be one of them, it's very simple. Go to the description of this video and tap the link, and once you will join Mr. Risk Trending channel every time, guys. So right, this is Mr. Risk every time, guys. Remember to train sharp, train wisely every time. So I'm saying like this, the market has tapped this key level here. So whenever the market taps this key level right now, and the market has been in a rally, so on my side, I'm not fighting the trend. In fact, I will not be fighting the trend. So my deal is very simple. So I need to expect right now after the market tapping this key level right now. So remember, the market has just been ranging here at this point. Let me just draw this box. So the market has been uh, like over a raging market, right? So what is the plan of the day? So the plan of the day, it is very simple. The market will just open with a gap, with a very small gap. Let it opens like this place right now. It moves down a little well, just it violate everything here, then market comes up. And it when it comes up, we just see the good thing with this market, it forms structures, combinations, market structures that are right now. The language of the market is this candlestick every time. There is a full concept of trading videos about, that is videos on about the candlestick. They are in my right now. I can see people commenting right now. This is Mr. Risk every time, guys. So there is a full concept of candlestick that is in my channel right now, guys. All right, you go and watch right now. So right now, how do you expect the market to open? Right, we are here for forex traders. Remember, this is our trading platform. Every time we need to be very keen and very consistency, guys. We whoever is watching live right now, that is very nice, because you are consistent in trading. Remember, how do you know that you are profitable trader every time? You need to have a working plan that you need to follow every time. Mr. Risk, I have a very good trading strategy that I call the three rule method strategy. For the people who understand it, keep up, guys. We are around right now to apply the three method rule strategy, and we trade it professionally every time. Remember, we are here, guys, to train professionally, not to gamble. This is our work. That is why we are not sleeping right now. This is our work, guys. This is what we do for a living every time, guys. For me, I'm paying my rent. I stay in a rental house in Nairobi town right now, guys. I need to find some money. I need to find my money to cater my needs, in fact. Right? So this is Mr. Risk, guys. Let me see in comment section where trending. I'm trending right now in Kenya. All right, I can see people are entering this live, all right? And if you come from Mr. Rick's trending community, let me know right now, guys. All right, remember to train sharp, train wisely every time. This is Mr. Risk. Remember to leave a like right now, guys. What is the preparation of the market, in fact? What are you preparing in the market? What is your plan in the market? Let me see in comment section right now, guys. So I'm just planning very simple things. This is Mr. Risk every time. Right, I'm getting tired very early, but it's okay. Remember, it was an weekend, guys. I remember we have from weekend, it has a lot of things, but we are in the market every time. Remember, every time our work our work, in fact, yes, our work, in fact, it is just to find something very legit in trading, guys. All right, this is Mr. Risk every time, guys. For the people who are watching live right now, remember, this is Mr. Risk. Train sharp, train wisely every time, guys. We are just doing some preparation for the market when we continue up, guys. All right. Yes, all right. All right, for the people who are joining live right now, this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time, guys. So we are just preparing the market. Then we just find how will you trade in the market right now, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to train sharp, train wisely every time. This is very early. We are waiting for the market to open, and boom, if the market changes reaction right now. So what is the plan? In fact, how are you planning? How will that market move? That is the things that I need to hear from you guys. How are you planning for that market, right? Yes, this is Mr. Risk. Remember to train sharp, train wisely every time, guys. We are not coming here to gamble. We are coming here to do some work right now. All right. This is Mr. Risk. Remember to train sharp, train wisely every time, guys. So we are just preparing some great things every time, guys. This is Mr. Risk. For the people who are giving me, said I too, guys. I'm trading currently in Kenya. Let me know your plan in trading. How will the market open? Let's just come here and discuss, guys, as forex traders. What are you hoping that the market will move, guys? Let me see in comment section right now. Yes, Mr. Risky, I'm saying the market will buy. Yes. What about you? You are forex trader. You you have your own trading. Let me see in comment section. You are forex trader. Just let's talk the language of trading right now, guys. We are just waiting for the market to open. All right. Stay tuned every time, guys. We're about to apply the 3 rule method strategy and we trade it professionally. In fact, we are going to trade it very professionally. This is Mr. Risky every time. Remember to train sharp, train wisely every time, guys. We are hoping that the market pumps up very well. Let's wait for the market to open very well, guys. So what is the plan? My plan is the market will buy. In fact, market will buy. According to me, the market will not continue rally down because the market will buy the first 5 hours. Let's see. All right, the 5 hours, the first 5 hours. The market. All right, welcome. All right, all right. Let me see in comments. What is your plan in trading going today? Let me see in comment section. For the people who are watching and you are not commenting, you are doing something very bad. It seems that I am a forex trader only here, right? So this channel is for forex traders, people making money online every time. And if you are watching this and you can't make money online, guys, remember hi too, people are entering. Mad you hi too, guys. Yes, I'm Mr. Risk every time. How are you seeing this market? How will this market open, guys? We are just in coming here to exchange some idea. If you are forex trader, you know what I'm saying. This is gold chart, right? The previous on Friday, guys. I entered some sales right now, guys, but those sales, the market opened, the market closed. In fact, before closing, it opens actually before closing. Do you understand? Before closing the trends, and we call it a day. It's very okay, no problem about that, guys. This is Mr. Risk. So I'm asking a simple question. If you're watching this live and you are forex trader, before even continue with my analysis, before I make my analysis, what are you seeing? Let's exchange some mind, guys. In comment section, I need to see people are saying, yes, this market will open a gap. If you are and if you are not understanding this language, Africa, if you don't understand forex trading, in fact, if you're not understanding forex trade, you're wasting time here, guys. You're wasting time. If you want to learn, go to DM me right now and say, yes, Mr. Risk, I need to know. There is description of this. There is a link there in the description of this video. Tap it and just join my trading community. I will teach you free of charge, guys, on how to trade and how to make money online every time, guys. So it is very simple. In fact, it is very simple. It is very simple. I want, if you're watching this live and you are forex trader right now, if you are keeping watching this video right now and you are forex trader, stop wasting time, right? Tell me in comment section, right? How will this market open, right? Will it open up or down? Right? This is Mr. Risky every time. Remember to train sharp, train wisely. Matthew, I'm speaking to you. I can see you're commenting. Hi, I'm speaking something. Superstar right now. Somebody like Salbino Gold, 1864. I'm speaking to guys like this guy who are saying right now, guys. So, how will this market open? In fact, some people are consistently watching. That is very nice, guys. So, how will this market open? In fact, will it open with a gap? Or how will it open, guys? Remember, this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time, guys. So I will just give my overview on the market, right? And if you're watching from Mr. Risk trading community, if you're one of the members, let me know. Let me know, guys. Let me know. Let me know, guys. All right. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, guys. For the people who are watching, and you are watching and you are forex trader, actually, let me know. Let me know, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time. I'm taking a cup of a tea right now. You know, to improve the sound quality, I need to take something just for energy. Speaking also, it needs energy. We are working, guys. We are at work right now, guys. Let's now do some top-down analysis. Very simple. We have started marking this key support level here in daily time frame. Actually, when the market reaches somewhere either there is some reactions, actually. You can see there is some reactions here at this point. We are just breaking it. There is some reactions at this point. Also, when you come here, there is some reactions also in this point. Let's come to the current price where it is. There is some reactions right now, guys. So when the market comes to this point, we are expecting it to go up. Right now we are in a downtrend, a very strong downtrend. Now, yes, we are downtrend, and the market has formed as some ranging. How do you expect the market to move, right? So do you expect this daily candle to move down? Yes, for the people who are watching right now, if you're expecting this market to move down, the market then should now go and form the daily wick first, then it moves down. That is how normally forms of the market. If we are expecting the market to continue down, so for my sake, when the market opens, according to me and according to Mr. Risk Hours, all right, saying that, right? Yes, for the people who are commenting, that is very nice. This is Mr. Risk, guys. Open lower and right. Yes, open lower. Yes, I like some comments like these, which are very beneficial because we are indicating each other. Yes, I can open lower, right? That is even my opinion, right? So my opinion is like this. I'm expecting this market to open lower here, and we have already known this is somewhere the market can react on to. After the market moving lower, it is like forming that is a lower wick, right? So I'm not expecting this market to move down. So I will just wait for the three rule method to happen, whereby I will see something like this, some breaks of structure for me to enter a train. Do you understand that? This is Mr. Risk, guys. Remember to train sharp, train wisely every time, guys. So that is what I'm expecting. In fact, all right, that is very nice. That is a very nice prediction, guys. This is Mr. Risky. So I'm just expecting, actually, I'm just expecting just a few minutes for the market to open, right? So I'm expecting, boom, the market opens here down. So some rages a little and then market moves. So we want to trend at this clean zone. We want to trend at this clean zone. All right, but after some confirmation, we are not just entering trends without confirmation, right? So it would be a very nice trend once we just get a trend in that point. It would have sound very nicely. It would have sound very nicely. This is Mr. Risk, guy. So if you're watching this live and you are forex trader, don't waste time. Let me see. Market will open lower. That is very nice, right? Yes, I can see we are together, right? Even up to me, the market will open lower, but not this. If the market will just change the trend, the market will move smoothly up to the top of the range, right? So if you look here, in fact, look, this is a very clean zone here. The market has been more, and the market has given it back to back. Now, what will later happen? The market will reach a little well and moves up, right? Right, okay, guys. Let me see in comment section. The market has tapped this key level here and it has tapped here. So we're gonna expect it to move down, and we took this trend very, very, very nicely, guys. All right. So how are you expecting this market to open? Just in comment section. If you're a forex trader, I want to see some comments. This is H4. All right, I too, guys. So I'm just asking some questions for the people who are watching this live right now. All right. Let me take some tea. Talking sometimes it needs a lot of energy. You're right. So the market will open lower and it might see it go up to fill the gap and push higher after what? After otherwise, if rejection found, it could go even lower. Bitcoin dropped, right? Bitcoin dropped what? Let's read this comment. Bitcoin dropped this weekend. All right. Like, okay. That is very nice. So, maybe somebody here is saying that the market will open lower. I think it's very nice. That is a very nice idea, in fact. Right? Okay. I capture it right now. I am inside you. The market opens lower, and then we want to see the three rule method strategy happening. Then we just enter the trend right now, right? Remember, we are here until the market opens, right? Okay, this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time, guys. All right. Let's see. In comment section, I'm expecting just something. Tell me how the market opens. In fact, you tell me what is the plan of today's market, guys. What are you planning to do in this forex trading today? In fact, all right. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time. Remember, we train sharp, we train wisely every time, guys. Regardless to what matter, right? Okay. All right. I think it will open below 4500. Yes. All right. I can see people are commenting very 4500. Let me watch it very clearly. 4500. Okay. Nice. Yes, that is very okay. That is very okay. So my plan, it is just let me just do something here. It comes a little bit at this point here because that is the region we never treat. We always treat this one like a zone. In fact, that is a rejection, so I don't mark some support like a line. No, it is like a zone anywhere, not the actual place. In fact, yes, you can't be that accurate. So yes, after the market comes, let me just change this color of this color. Yeah, for it. Yes, let it be something like this. Okay. Yes, this is gonna be a zone. We want to treat it like a zone. Yes, drop this weekend. It's likely to open lower. That is very nice, guys. My G. Okay. Yes, it seems I'm saying something like this. In fact, in this zone here, yes, in this zone there, in fact, in this zone here, the market gonna move here down. Yes, when the market moves there and opens at this place or in a gap, then after there, we will just expect something very nicely. Remember, if the market breaks and continues down, we can't control the market. We are just retail trader. We just follow the plan and continue selling. But if the market now comes here at the top, even comes that is after tapping the place right now, it comes here at this range. Yes, let's change this color to be it very visible. Let's just change the color. Let it put white in color to be more visible. No, not this one. Not this one. Not this one. It's just this lane here. We want something to be nice. This lane. Alright, this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to train sharp, train wisely every time, guys. Alright, that is the plan. That is plan. In fact, that is the plan, guys. So when the market now comes here down, right, it comes like that. So I need breaks of structures. In fact, after now breaks of structures, now we expect the market to move down. So I am hoping that the market gonna move there. So our entry point, in fact, after the market moves like that, so we need it to retrace a little well, then forms the three rule method. So the entry point gonna be here. In fact, it gonna be here after the breaks here. So that is the plan. That is how simple we just plan. Okay, so that gonna be my entry point. Let's just make it very clear. Okay, okay, let me just make it very clear here. Okay. Right, this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to trade up. Let me see in the comment section. What are you just planning with this gold, bro? What are you planning? Okay, this is Mr. Risk every time. So I'm expecting the market to open very nicely. Let's see. Alright, that is my entry point. My TP will be here. In fact, this is my TP level. Let me just put it very clean blues right now. So that is my TP level, and my stop loss will be here down. In fact, my stop gonna be here down. Yes, we gonna drag it a little in a very logic place. Let it put red for a confirmation, right? Okay, so that is the plan. If you're watching from Mr. Risk Forex community, let me know, guys. Let me know, guys. All right, that is the plan. In fact, that is my plan in trading. In fact, so let me just put this thing in red color. Yes, let me just put it in a red color to show a complete task has done. In fact, about okay, save. No, no, no. Okay, let's change the color, in fact, to be red. That is very nice. Shit. That should be blue in color. Will I go to trading view? I don't like trading. I don't like what? Alright, something is cooking each other. Okay, just put it red in color. Okay, it's nice. Alright, it's very okay, guys. For the people, I think it will open right now. Let's see how the market moves, guys. Let's see how the market, we have just 4 minutes for the market to open. Let's see how it opens actually. Alright, this is Mr. Risky. We are here until the market opens. We don't waste any time. Alright, guys, this is Mr. Risky every time. Alright, we have still some energy, right? Okay, let's see how the market moves every time. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time. Alright, let me see in comment section, what are you actually planning? What are you actually planning? Alright. If you want to join Mr. X Trading community, just description in the link of this bio in this video. Tap it and join Mr. Risk Forex Trading, and let me know right now once you join. This is Mr. Risk every time, guys. So if you're watching this and you are Forex trader, Let me know how, what is your plan in forex trading actually. What is your plan and what are you planning, right? The market is about to open, right? Let's see if the market has opened. Has the market opened with the broker? So some currencies have already opened, right? Yes, some currencies have opened. Let's wait for the gold to open right now, guys. So we are just to open that this market will open right now, guys. Let's see how the market opens, right? So this is Mr. Risk, right? This is Mr. Risk every time. Train sharp, train wisely, guys. Let me see in comment section, what are you planning? What are you actually planning on the market when it opens, guys? This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to train sharp, train wisely every time, guys. So what is your plan in trading actually today? What is your plan? What is your plan actually? What is your plan as a forex trader, right? So I'm planning that whenever the market moves down at that point, yes, I'm hoping the market gonna go up right now, guys. So this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to train sharp, train wisely every time, guys. So I'm hoping when the market taps at that level, the market gonna do what? Flip up and go up, right? Okay, this is Mr. Risk every time. Train sharp, train wisely every time, guys. Trading live, that is our potential thing that we're gonna do. All right, we have no other option than trading, guys. This is trading forever. Let me see in comment section, what are you planning actually? What are you planning? What are you planning, right? What are you planning actually? This is Mr. Risk. I'm trading currently Nairobi, Kenya. It's likely to open lower, right? Yes, I'm just, let's see if your plan, let's see what is your plan. Break down your plan and see in comment section. Let's see in comment. You are forex trader. Let me see in comment section, what are you planning? What are you actually planning in gold, right? All right. Yes, I'm taking my tea just to improve what we call sound quality. Sound what? Sound quality. All right, guys, this is Mr. Risky every time. Remember to train sharp, train wisely every time, guys. All right, we have some few minutes, around 2 minutes, guys, when the market opens, right? If you're watching this and you're a forex trader, do this. Break your analysis before the market opens. What are you planning how the market opens? Sharp boys, let me see you there. Let me see in comment section, what are you planning on gold, guys? And if you are not forex trader, to know how forex trading and watching this live, it's very simple. Go to the description of this live, tap that link, you'll join Mr. Risk Trading community, right? You will have joined, you will learn everything about forex trading, right? So right, guys, we are just, that is our analysis. So our analysis comes whereby we are hoping this is the market has tapped a key level, right? And it is a very strong bearish, but we are at the key level, right? So consolidate, nice, it's gonna yes, the right, as long as oil price, yes, I like fundamentals. So as long as oil prices are going to be signed with, right, that is very nice. So we just even don't look, yeah, fundamentals are very nice, right? Oil price is very high. Where you do come from? Yes, oil price actually, it is very, please, what is the time frame, right? This is 1 hour. That is where I look the direction. Freedom, very nice for joining. I can see some members from Mr. Risk Forex Trading community. Very nice, guys. So here right now, we are just talking about how will that this market open, guys. Actually, there is a trend that I took. I didn't close, guys. So that is very nice. Just I closed. I did not close it, but I close it once. Then I start a fresh new week, right? All right, guys. So this is 1 hour. So I'm expecting if the market try to range, it will range at this point. Let me show you guys. So if the market tries to range, it will just range in between this point. But if it tries to move, it's gonna move up to our TP level. So let's just wait. The market will not range the whole of the day, but the market will actually range. So let me see. For the people who do some fundamental, guys, I'm a price action trader, but remember this. If you want to be a long-term trader, you need to combine these things. know about the fundamentals. So what are the fundamentals? Fundamentals, it deals with the news, deals with yes, that is basically about news, about USD, about gold, correlations, about that. Then oh, boom, the market opens where the market has opened, right? Remember we end some minute. Let's see the area where the market has opened, right? So just let go. How has the market opened? Actually, this is Mr. Risk every time. The market has just opened at the lower price, so I will actually close this trend. This is close. This is actually the trend of the last week, so I don't just close it with the profits. Is okay. I knew this was gonna happen, right? We are done. Let's just come back and do some analysis, right? So this is a new week and a new deal every time, right? Just the market has opened. Yes, it has opened as a lower point. As we said, the market has opened at a lower point. So it has opened with some gap, in fact, yes, as we have said. So this is very nice, actually. This is very nice. This is very nice, guys. This is very nice. Breaking 45 makes an overall downtrend, but when the downtrend means it always likely to pull before going down more, but in a pullback it can. All right, so let's see. Actually, remember, before we take buys we need a confirmation of a break of structure, right? Remember, we have a trading plan for the people who comes here to Mr. Risk every time. Listen here very carefully if you're watching right now. So in Mr. Risk trading community, we let guys to go to that is our specific time frame. That is a 1 hour time frame, right? This is 1 hour time frame. So remember, every time, guys, in trading, in Mr. Risk trading, we have a trending plan. If it is buys every time, we'll just know it's buys because we need a very clear break of structure and a market structure. We need to draw, if it is an uptrend, we need to draw a trend line. In fact, after drawing a trend line, we need to see some bullish patterns like morning star, like something like what? Something like an armor. Am I speaking sense, raw? So after seeing something like bullish engulfing candles, something like that, in fact, something like what? Something like yes, something like that. We need some three combination rules for us to take the trend. So whenever we just follow the trend. So if you are saying the market, this is just we are just predicting the market gonna go up. So after just stepping, the market as ranging, guys. When the market just forms a very clear move and we are able to make a trend line in that minute time frame, just for direction, that is 1 hour, then we just make some kind of a trend line and some kind of a clear trend in M30. Then we wait for the confirmation entry, that is candlesticks, then we will enter and buy position. Note that we are professional traders. That's why we enter some sales here and we were holding, because we just confirm this is a downtrend. We drew, we enter after just some confirmation, right? This was a bearish confirmation candle. We entered the trend and we just owned up to this rally. That is how the power of combinations, right? Change back to an upgrade. That is very nice. Pullback, it can often change back to upgrade. That is very nice, right? All right, guys, I think it will open below the price and a high goal. All right, that is very nice. So I can see I have some professional traders with me, right? If you want to join Mr. Risk Trading community, just go to the description of this video. There is a link there. You tap it, you join once, and we start now communicating the language of trading right now. So for the people who are watching and they are from Mr. Risk Trading family, that is very nice. Freedom, I can see you right now. Very nice. Welcome to Mr. Risk Trading community, guys. Just we are preparing how will this market open, guys. So we are expecting the market to go up according to my analysis, guys. But we are not, I'm not saying you go and you bumbly buy. No. Do not go and step on buys, right? No. You just wait for something that we call confirmation, right? So best time to buy is it's making the pullback, right? Is so the best time to buy is as it makes pullbacks, right. That is very nice. Yes, I can concur with you, but wait for break of structure in M30. That is 30 minutes. Just wait for a clear break of structure to confirm it is a clear uptrend. Wait for a pullback in a trend line. Make sure when the market, remember when the market did it open below 45, so I am right. You're what? You it didn't close below, but it is not the massive below, but in that range, in that trending, let take it and a range. Do not just remember we are at 45.51, right now we are at 45.51, right? So just I just say like something like support, I mark like a range. In that range some reactions can take. I don't just draw a very clean lane. Sometimes I used to do some lanes, but remember, I'm just taking an example. So when the market taps in this zone everywhere, just ear down, this is a zone of rejection. You understand? Just take this one like a zone of, did it all right, or I'm waiting for it to break 45, right? Okay, no problem. For it indeed did below 45, so I'm waiting it. All right, it's okay. If it breaks here down, in fact, let's say you are saying 45, 500. Let me see, you are saying 45 500. It's no, that is a very small range. In fact, that is a very small range. So that is a very small range to give you some indic. That is a 45. No, that is very few pips, in fact, for gold. You are saying at this point, okay. All right. So the market, according to Mr. Risky Analysis, what I'm saying that the market gonna right ascending the open below. So I'm waiting for it to break. Well, okay, no problem, guys. So if you are looking for the sales, we are waiting for the sales because we are just predicting the market. Then we apply now the rule. In fact, if you are waiting for just your trading plan, you just see the direction, then you apply your trading plan. So we just look. So remember, in forex trading you can make money when the market is going up and when the market is going down. It depends on how number of pips that you are looking, right? For right me, I'm looking for many pips. In fact, you can see the market that I have closed right now, so I use a lot of 0.01. So I want a larger move. So it depends with your calculation of pips, the number of the pips that you need, right? So and the size of the trending. Remember, I'm using a very low, that is micro lot size, that is 0.01. Do you understand? According to my account is around 5k USD, guys. So I don't just over risk, I do something that we call over leverage. Whenever now I capture the move, I go now adding some layers. Once I break the structure, I hand some layer. I break another structure, I under some layer. Then I go stealing up and going break evens and securing some profits. So that is how I do it, guys, to secure my profit. Do you understand? I do that. So there is some member here is saying that he needs 45 500 to be breaking fast for it to go for sales or buys, right? It's a very okay. So according to me, the market gonna range. It can taps here, there is some reactions, goes down, it can just come. This is gold. It tricks some people. Do not just enter buys once. So remember, the candle has only 10 minutes, so it can even decide to close a dodgy candle going down. Do you understand? Just 10 minutes, it cannot assure you to go buys. The market can just play here some kind of ranging, then we wait it for it to break, come down in that minute, right? So it breaks, that is a confirmation. So the first touch, trend line touch, it moves up, we wait for the second touch. When just come for a second touch, we just wait for confirmation, candlestick patterns. After that, we just take the trend up to our TP level here at the top. So that is the plan, guys. So, and for the sales plan, we'll just see if the market just gonna do that. Right, this is Mr. Risk, guys. I can see some traders here. If you I can see some people speaking language of forex trading. That is very nice, guys. For the people who knows about trading, guys, trade a little way, then the market pumps up. No, now I want to know what is your plan actually. What is your plan as a forex trader? If you're watching, I can see people are very replying. They are very okay. This is educating. This live is for educating in nature. All right. Once you enter here, we are a group of traders. We just say, and somebody comes shares his or our knowledge about trading, we combine it and we see how we this is what we call sentiment analysis, the feeling of other traders. Do you understand? If I'm feeling that market gonna go up, right, and another one has a feeling that the market gonna go up, so there is a high probability for the sentimental feelings the market gonna go that direction. Do you understand about that? So that is very okay, right? If you want to join Mr. Risky Trading, there is a trading community, very simple. In the description of this video, in the description of this live, there is a link there. Tap it. Hey, join Mr. Risky Trading community right now, right? Okay, so I'm saying something like that. So I'm just waiting, then I apply my 3 rule method strategy. If you want to see it, just watch until the end when I just enter my. Once I find my entry and just set my stop loss and my tip, then now I can leave the live, guys. Remember, I will not end sell from 45.55 to 45.63, 45.55 to 45. That is very okay, but that is very small on my side, and it does not apply to my rules. Remember, everybody has his plan and rules. Do you understand that? So I cannot look for how many pips right now. 45 to 63. That is around 100 pips. No, I'm not coming. I will not look for those pips actually, according to my rule. A lot size of 0.01, that is around $10. No, I want money. I want to print money. I need direction where I will just earn some positions. Once it breaks the first, right, so I can be consistent. So remember, trading is not about getting profit that one trade. All right, so Aizan Zinzima, that is Gia Zinzimail 4718. You are very right, but I cannot concur with you. I cannot enter that trend. Thank you, boss. Very nice. Okay. Right. I can see my one of my people from my trading community. They are consistently watching this, and I know for the people like this, freedom, I'm gonna hand you to my VIP without even the payment. If you just continue being serious like this, right, that's very okay. I will just add you somewhere, right? We'll talk about that on WhatsApp. This is live. There is some privacies we don't speak in here. Just link in the bio. We talk about trading. Okay. So I'm just preparing for the market to go up. Eventually, this is weekend. That is why you are seeing me. I don't drink. In fact, I take tea. I take tea here. I'm just in my house right now. Just analyze the market. I have been walking here and there in capital city of Nairobi, moving up and down, just relaxing. I went. I'm not a Muslim actually. I'm a Christian, so I went to church. I just thank Lord. Then just I came here now to analyze the market as we continue to make dollars here online, guys. So we will print dollars today. Whenever I see the market, we see some opportunities, right? That is very nice. So I'm seeing some buys because of this clean range here. So if the market gives up back to back, that is very nice. And yes. All right, sell at 45.73. Very nice, eh? SL at 45.73. A very nice signal, but it does not allow to apply my trends here. Yes, very nice trade, but you can take it them you yourself, because I will be out of the plan. I need to take a trending market whereby after uh after I go to M30, after break of structure, I earn a position. After break of a structure, I earn position, right? So the first break of structure after confirmation, I need just to take some two trends. All right, my size, I don't just enter a trend with a very big size, right? And once it goes for a drawdown, no, so I just wait. That is according to my rules. Just take it very simple. I don't I'm not coming here to confuse you just to take like me, right? If you are professionally taking some money and making money using that your rule, right? If you're just professionally, and do you understand this, Azanzima 7418. So all right, I come from Kenya. It's gonna not be the same language, but you just listen. I have some simple English, right? Okay, so I'm saying something like this. It depends with your trading plan and your risk management. Remember, trading strategy, it plays only 10% in trading. The rest is about psychology, 60%, and then the rest is 30% that is risk management. No, if your psychology, you will not build it for a long term if you just be skipping. That's why I always tell some people's watching my live, if you have your edge trading and you are consistently making your $10 every day, do not come here to get this knowledge about Mr. Trading. Do not combine a lot of things. Do not even go to watch a lot of videos. Will confuse you. It's better I lack some viewers. It's better I lack even some subscribers, but I talk the truth of the matter. If you already making money consistently in trading, forex trading, it is better you stop about. But if you see that you are just profitable this week, next week you are profitable right now. So I'm saying active buys done, right? Okay, no problem. So I'm saying something like this, and Zanzima. So wherever the name, it's very okay. I can take this was signal. It is very good and it can play very well on my side. Now tomorrow, the time like now, will you actually give me the same signal? The day after that, will you give me the same signal? Will you now create myself whenever you are not around? Will I be able to take these trains? That's why I always tell some people, if you want to give me as Mr. Risk a signal to say right now, do not give me that signal. Give me a process of getting that signal. Why? Because even if you're not around, I'll be able to take the trends. I will able to control the emotions in trading, right? For the people who are buying courses about signals, it is very okay. But ask yourself this: will I be able to control that emotions and that psychology? Whenever I take a buy and see the market moving down, because of the fear about whatever, I'm not ready to risk. So I don't know how the somebody analyze the market. So I gonna move out of that market. That's how I'm saying, in fact, right? So I'm saying something very important and very keen. Okay, I'm saying very important and very keen something. Right. So right now, how the market is moving, it is moving up. We have 19 minutes right now. So the first candle, 15 candle, has actually the first candle, that is 15-minute candle, has closed, right? So it has closed in a very rangy place here. So there is no any confirmation for a sell, for a buy position right now. I cannot take a buy. Let's go to a direction. Okay, let's go to our direction candles here. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember, I train professionally and don't come here to gamble, guys. All right, you are very okay to sell that point, but for my sake, I cannot sell because you will not tell me tomorrow to sell and the day after tomorrow, and you have not shown me how to trade about it. So I already have an edge of trading and I'm profitable. So in fact, I'm here to help somebody who is not profitable. If you are profitable, stop now. Even you cannot, if you know you are consistently making money in forex trading, even do not move out of this life, or just come here. We share the knowledge and we teach for the people who does not understand trading, right? And just or just you come here with your mind and my mind, just we come and see, yes, this is very okay. If you see I'm speaking sense that relate and correlate with your trading setups, is very okay. If I add some skills onto you to just adjust your strategy, but not to abolish your strategy. So most of people just abolish their strategy, they apply another strategy. That strategy they have, it is more worse. That I have seen strategy, it just plays 10%. Why? Why do you see some traders stay in the market for 5 years without being profitable? It is not about they don't know how to mark support and resistance. That's very simple. Most of traders that you see, they are very professional, my friend. Somebody, I have some friends, somebody like me, I hold some degree. I hold a degree in medicine and surgery in here at Nairobi University. I went to Nairobi University, starting for around 6 years there, learning about medical and surgery. So when I just come in this market, in fact, I'm full of knowledge. They outside. I'm very sharp boy right now. So I understand about the trading. So you cannot tell me that what took me around 6 years, around 5 years for me to be profitable. You can go and watch my first lives that I was going around 2020, what, around 2023 there. I was not profitable at all. In fact, I was just coming to the market just to gamble. You can see sometimes that, right, I will sell with the target 55. I see a break of small uptrend. It's currently as 1 minute, right? So, okay, that's very okay. You can sell with a target of 45. It's very okay. It's very okay. It's a very okay according to your target. So, I'm not saying that you don't sell. Imagine if you are selling with a lot of 0.0, or no, if you are selling with a lot of even 4, it depends with the account. Do you understand? On a way of your trading, those are very many pieces according to you, but on my side I just use a lot of 0.01 when I see a very clean trend, something like this. So I'm saying, let me explain in detail. When I see something like this, when we break here I enter sell, when we break here I enter another sell, when we break here I enter another sell. So this is 1 2 3, rather than using a lot of 0.03, I enter one sell and hold up to this. So I just lower these. When we break here I enter, when we break here I enter. So when the market is moving down, I just trail these stop losses. I go break even, I go break even. I can go this swing, I can go. So when the market closes, that is why when I started this live, I had some running trends, but I end stealing up. So the stop loss, it was on the profit what sign. That's how I do it. And most of times I just withdraw money because I'm consistency. So okay, just that, just telling me just that is the target, just give me the hypothesis behind that. How you have seen that there is a break of structure in 1 minute, my friend. For me, a break of structure should happen in that minute, in that what minute. That is according to my range of trading. It is very okay, it is very nice and very fun. If you are profitable about the kind of scalping like that, it's very okay. I don't fight any trader. I'm very peaceable person. In fact, what has made me peaceable is peaceful, it's about trading. In fact, I'm even getting tired to explain some things, but I'm here. That is my work. In fact, this is Mr. Risk every time. So I'm explaining something very important. I'm saying something like this. The market has been ranging, been ranging. So what gonna the market moves right now? The market gonna go there, this up to this line here. So when it taps, it moves like that. When it breaks, it continues up. That is very nice. I can go here up, then continue moving down. You never know. Let's just wait and see some confirmation. Remember, active buyers done. Okay. Let's see, guys. This is Mr. Risk, guys. Right now, this is Mr. Risk, guys. This is on 1 hour for the people who are asking. That is for the people who are asking the time frame, guys. So currently analyzing the market from Nairobi, Kenya. Nairobi, Kenya. Let's see in comment section, guys. And if the video is interesting, you can like and subscribe every time, guys. So I can see people are commenting, people are saying something very important, right? Let me see your comment. If you're a forex trader, just if you know you are a professional forex trader, just comment on this trend and comment how the market moves, right? Okay. Yes. All right. If you know you are a professional trainer and you know what you are speaking here, you write in comment section right now, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to train sharp, train wisely every time, guys. We're expecting the market to move very well, guys. This is Mr. Risk. Let's see how the market moves, guys. All right, I will always follow you, boss. That is very nice. I will. I like, all right, that is very okay. Let's just wait and we see the confirmation actually. Remember, in this forex trading freedom, let me tell you this is very important. I know you are listening this. In forex trading, it is better we lack that trend today. It's better if the confirmation, for example, I want to apply my three rule method and it needs to be happen. So the three rule method, it have to happen for me to take a trend, in fact. So the three rule method is very simple. It is whereby I will just wait for the market to come here at the top, right? So I go to a more lower time rate, that is M30. So when I comes to M30, let me just even change the time frame. So when I comes in the M30, so I need a break of structure eventually. I need something like this, the market to come up somewhere like here. It forms what we call a high. It comes here, it forms a low. It breaks that one. So this is the first touch, then it breaks, right? So after breaking, it confirms that this gonna be an uptrend. Then the market comes for a second touch. So we always trade at the second touch. So whenever the market comes at the second touch, we wait for a confirmation candle. That is, we are an uptrend. We need to see something like bullish engulfing candle, something like morning star, something like a candle like this. This is a like a doji candle, hammer candle. Do you understand that? So we need to see some what confirmation candle. After seeing that, we take a position of a buy to aim up the other key level. When the market breaks the structure, you can just drag your stop loss. That is how we trade. We don't just take some emotion. In forex trading, you need to be patient. In fact, you will be kicked out. Do you understand that? So in fact, you'll be kicked out in trading. I'm here live trading till I will be here until when I enter a trend and set stop loss and they take profit. Right? Okay. Okay. I like you. Alright, very good. It's very okay. It's very okay. It's very okay. Nice, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time. Okay. All right. That is very okay. That is very okay, guys. So here in trading, let's just talk something very important. The problem, it's not about our strategies that we are trading, in fact. Okay. Yes, in fact. Yes. Okay. The problem is not the strategies that we have been trending. Yes, for me to tell me to look for buys for sales at this point, I will say no. I'll say no. I'll say no. I'll say no. According to how I set my TP, imagine I entered these sales. For the people who are just right now, you can see the trend that I took. So I entered sales at this point, aiming at these clean zones, right? So this is at a very low place. The market has tapped. So even I drew this support level here. The market, this is a support region. I treat it like a region because it can tap any place. When you treat it like a lane, sometimes it may confuse you. Just let deal it like a zone. When the market taps that zone, the market gonna react, right? So let's just wait. Let's just wait for confirmation, right? Right. Just very we just have how many candles? Just two candles, 15-minute candles just have closed, right? They have closed with arranging from no. Look at this market. Tapping here, moving down. Just tapped here, move down, down. Like, it is a chop area, and we cannot trend in a chop area, right? Trending in a raging market sometimes it is not okay, right? So we need to go to a more clean zone. That is 1 hour, right? This is very nice. So we wait for this 1 hour to just to close and to continue. So this 1 hour can come here at the top and then moves here down. Do you understand? Even with one candle, it can move here down. This is forex trading. Then market pumps up to this level. So we are hoping if the market tries to run at this rally and it breaks the structure very clean, it's gonna go up back to back. All right. This is means the risk every time. Remember to train up doing wisely every time, guys. So we want just to speak truly like forex traders. Let's just be open. Let's be just be open as a forex trader. Ask yourself if if you know something like if you are profitable. In fact, if you are a profitable forex trader, nobody knows. It is only you, God, and Satan. Not this. I can even have money. I can even have money through my VIP group for the people subscribe and give me money. Right? It's very okay. I can be money and can be bragging with that money, right? So you can see, yes, I'm seeing a very good lifestyle and drive cars, something like this, and I'm okay. Like most of forex traders in Kenya right now. So you can see people are driving expensive Germany machines, right? Very okay. Mercedes Benz, Audi, Range Rovers. It's very nice, but they can be just doing that to get some members to enter in their VIP groups and start getting money, whatever, whatever. But you need to ask yourself, whenever I give you that signal, will it help you the entire of your life? No. Sometimes some years back, I was receiving some signals from some people, and I would enter and buy and set my stop loss and my TP. That is their strategy, and their strategy just as applying that, right? But we are dealing with the money and the emotions, my friend. We are dealing with the money and the emotions. You know, when I see I'm just in a losing trade, all right, buy or sell, buy, but not now. Jesus, Jehu's, some people have very, 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 very large 70-70. Let me use that very simple 70-70. I'm talking to you, buy or sell, right? I'm seeing buys, but we wait for confirmation to enter the trade. We need to be professional. Let's do forex trading like a work, right? So on my side, I have done a degree in medicine. Right, is in medicine. In fact, I have studied at University of Nairobi. So I went there and learned around 6 years, right? So I just learned about all the human anatomy, starting from the hand. I just learned about the brain. I just learned about the skull itself. I just learned about the muscles. Do you understand the different types of muscles, the different types of veins? Do you understand the different types? Just I have learned a lot of things about the human anatomy, right? After there, I went and learned about even psychology. As a doctor, you are taught about the psychology. That is, how do you read the mentality of a patient? When the patient comes and tells you, yes, there is a fever, you can see these. For example, you can deal with the psychology of that patient. In fact, you are taught about that. After that, in detail, we are now taught about the medical terms and a lot, etc things. When it comes to the practical, you go there, you open the scars, you do 1 2 3, write that, you have the specimen, you deal with it very, very professionally. Do you understand? When now patient comes in real life, when I go there to my medical part when I'm performing my duty. And in fact, I don't do that right now because I'm a forex trader full time right now. So I don't just waste time to just look for some around how many dollars in a day. A doctor in Kenya spend around 80,000 per month. Meaning, if you divide it per day, it should make around how many? Around 3,000 per day. Around 3,000 Kenyan shillings, right? And this money I can just make a day around 200 USD. Yeah, when I'm trading. So if you compare that money, I can quit that job and continue trading, and it has more. If I take my trains right now in Asia session and one huge can, that is a one huge trade in my bigger account in London session, I'm done with the day. I'm okay, right? So I'm saying just let's treat forex trading like before our setup. Let's talk something that makes sense, right? So before just coming in trading and trade forex like a game, like a scam, like whatever, let's create some edge and a system that you need to follow every time. For example, for the people who watch my lives, most of times they know what I'm speaking about. I have the 3 rule method strategy that I use. First rule, and my strategy is very simple. In fact, my strategy, it is the trend. Everything, even the news, even whatever, most of times it follows the trend, right? So even the specs that you see, most of times, if you are in the trend and you are stop loss, it is in a very logic place, you are at a saver point. Do you understand that? So I'm just pumping some knowledge to you to understand this. So take forex trading like a work. Just take 2 to 3 setups in a day. Even you can even decide to take one setup in a day, and you can even decide not to train that day. So for example, if my 3 rule method does not happen today, I will not train. I know tomorrow the market will give me some opportunity. Rather than trading and getting some losses, and I knew that these I am forcing the issues in training. For example, if the market ranges here, forming candles, the same quality candles at these zones the whole of the day, remember, I will not trade that day. Do you understand? I will not trade in what? In that day. I will just keep out of the trading and just call it a day. Do you understand that? So I am come here to teach you something very important. I'm not coming here even to teach you about the support and demand zones. In fact, I'm saying most of people who are trading forex nowadays, they are very bright people. You will not see, they are very bright. In fact, if you are watching this, I know you are not bogolala. For the people comes in Kenya, then understand that Kiswahili word. You are not stupid. You are very okay. Your mentality, you are right. You know how to do it. In fact, you know how to mark the support and resistance. If you have been trading, you know the far value gaps where they are. The only thing that is fighting us, me and you right now, it's about psychology. Right, I have entered this buys. Will I wait for this market to reach up to this point? How will I know that yes, this pattern has happened right now? Oh my god, it will hit my stop loss. Can somebody clearly close a trade when you have your stop loss somewhere and you are saying that yes, these analysis are, it is very poor, let me close this trend? Or you just close there because you see some huge red candles? You understand that? So here in trading mindset, it plays 60%. That is psychology, in fact. And every time I enter your life, I need to speak about psychology in training, because everybody is speaking about support. It is about indicators, about fundamental, about sentiment, about strategies. It plays about 10%, bro. Even I can take a kid and draw as I tell him, when you see the market at this point tapping these zones several times, it reacting up, that is a support, and he just get. But now that mindset and psychology of just maintaining that consistency in trading is what we are lacking as traders, right? So right, There was just a part of us say, right, this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to train captain wisely every time, guys. So, right, what is the analysis right today? So, we are hoping right now, how is the candle? It is 40 minutes. The candle, it is very huge, bullish right now, guys. Just in our plan, guys, right now. So, the market gonna move up. Then we see how the market moves. If it changes the direction, that is very okay. If it breaks the structure, we are in an uptrend. So we go to a more lower time frame, that is M30. After going to M30, we just now draw a trend line. The first touch, it touches, it breaks it. The second touch, it does our entry point. What am I meaning right now? Let me just apply just what I'm meaning right now. Let me just apply what I'm meaning at Mr. Risk. These are one of my trends that I have taken. So right now, I'm saying like this: if you want to trend right to them, you need to wait for something like this. You need to wait for something like this. The market to go down, right? Identify a very full break of structure. For example, here the market went up, it broke this structure. That is the first structure that it broke. Market came here back, here at the top, came down, went up like this. It broke this structure here, in fact. So if you see, this is first touch here, right? After breaking structure, after breaking the second structure here, this is our second touch, right? So when the market came here, the second touch, we just waited for some confirmation. We just go to a more lower time, that is around 30 minutes, right? So this was our second touch at this point, right? So after there, we just look the bearish engulfing candles, something like this. All right, this is an even star, right? We just took some sales and stop loss here above in the TP to the next key level, right? The TP to the next key level, and that is how we just took that sales. And we are waiting for something like this to open here, just the market to come up. We see some reaction, we go to a more lower time frame, that is M30. We just wait for the market to break this structure, moves up, first touch, second touch, we are in after a confirmation. And that is how we just be consistency in trading. Right, let me see in comment section what are you saying. For the people who are commenting live right now, let me see in comment section what are you actually seeing about the market. This is Mr. Risk. I will be consistently trading here until we make it, right? Let's just, for the people who are watching live, guys, all right, let's actually see how the market moves. If we see the confirmation, right, we will enter the trade, guys. And we are hoping that we're gonna just take some sales, right? We're gonna take some buys because my mindset is about buys. Let's see. And we cannot buy we cannot force these buys because we have an edge of trading. Or there is, anytime Mr. Risk will force some trends because I have a working plan. This book here, I have some several books here. In fact, let me show you. This is a very huge book here. This is one of my, this is one of my biggest notebook here. Oh, no. Who is that? What are you saying, my friend? Are you using 0.01 losses because you have been a big stop loss, or always have a small stop loss, right? So I'm just using a 0.01 because I have this is a 5K trading account, for example. This is one of my account that I have grown from 1K for the people who have been watching it. Stop loss is bigger. I have 528 and I use 1.5 lot time. My stop loss is usually around 70 to 100, which is 2%. Very nice, but okay. So on my side, I use 0.01, but know this, I do some layers. I lay out my trends. Rather than using a 0.15 at one trend, so I lay out the trends. I take some more positions. In fact, and remember, my stop loss is not a huge stop loss, is not a big stop loss. My stop loss, every time I put stop loss at a very logical place, not here. Putting stop loss at a bigger size, it does not mean that you are at a safer side. Take an example. If you take these buys here, let me explain this to you to help you something here. If you take these buys and you just try to take a very big stop loss, then you take even a ratio of that is a ratio of 2:1. You take a very big stop loss, you just put your stop loss, it is very big, and you take your TP at this level. Remember this, you will just start getting into a profit, but that big stop loss will be it. So the idea here, it's not about the big stop loss. Let's be together. The idea is not about the big stop loss. Always put stop loss in a logic place, right? For example, right now, where will be my stop loss? Let me explain with my analysis right now. So I'm expecting this market to move here at the top. When it breaks here, I just clap and see something is happening. I just see a target is about to happen, right? When it breaks this point here, right? Then the market moves down a little, well, it is some pullbacks, then it breaks. So I just wait for the second touch. So for the first touch, it moves and it breaks. That is the first word touch. Then I wait for the second pullback. So after waiting it, once, so I will draw a trend line. When it taps the second touch, then I wait for confirmation. I will just wait for something like Morningstar, something like if that is something like bullish engulfing candles, something like an armor, something like three soldiers. So I know those all the patterns I know. So one of them I just wait for it to happen in M30, then I will just automatically take a buy and my TP will be at the top. Now, why do I use a lot size of 0.01? Remember, my stop loss will be just low at the lows of that pattern, at the low, just a little, well, not because I'm putting it in a very logical what place. Do you understand that? So after putting it at that level, when the market goes and just go to a more lower time frame, it can be M15. I cannot go beyond that M15. So I will just wait for some break of structure. I earned like two, just two layers. I earned more 0.0, 0.01. After a more confirmation, I enter. So the first trend that I entered, I just drew that stop loss to a break even, right? Because I have already confirmed the market is moving up, right? So I will be in trend. I will not be fighting what? The trend. Let me take, for example, for the people who started, just you can go and restart this live and start watching it. When I started it, I closed a trend that was running previous on Friday. I closed it. How? I can leave a trend running without no worries, because when you are inside the trend, even you can just be drawing up your TP levels. When the market is running in one direction, you can just have that momentum of handing trades, and you go without no a lot of stress. That is how I do it, my friend. Right? That is how I apply my system of trading. That is why I'm very profitable. For the people who watch me, they know Mr. Risk is highly profitable, because most of times you reach me, I will be very patient in trading, but I will come up with a very strong move that I will own, and I will be adding some layers. So I don't just add a very huge stop loss, but if the market tends to move down, I will just lose a lot. Do you understand? But I will just take one 0.01, but I will add some layers as the market goes to that direction. Let me just explain to this. I just want to teach you about psychology, something very nice. Let's take for something like I'm saying something like this. So this market does not move once. Do you understand? So I will just wait. For example, if I want to apply the three rule method strategy, so this is where the market started moving. It moved. So this is a high, low. This is a low. This is a lower low. This is a high low. So this is the For example, this is the first move, this is the break of structure, this is the first break of structure, right? So the first touch, it's here, we move down, this is the second touch, we can draw a trend line like this. So the second touch, when the market moves, it came here at the top, so this is the second touch. So this would be our entry point, right? Just when the market touch is there, just we wait for confirmation, right? You can see the confirmation that happened, and bearish engulfing candle, very nice pattern. So after there, I would enter a, a what, a sell position at that point. So I will be in profit without adding no position. I will just wait for another break of structure. Then the market moves down, right? Then when it breaks at this point, I will automatically add some two positions, because I will be that confident. I have already a running trade. I just move some my stop loss at that point, then add more two position, because I'm not fighting the trade and aiming the next key level. That's how I do it. In fact, that's why I'm sharing my knowledge, right? So I'm not saying that you are trading it's wrong, but it understands on how do you apply it. Will it apply it today and tomorrow and the day? So in forex trading, in fact, you cannot say I'm profitable with 1 week. In fact, the 1 week, you can take two trades in a week and you'll be in a losing, right? Or you'll be at the break even in that 1 week. For you to understand that you are profitable, even if you flip your account right now, like $5K to around $10K, and you flip it today, ask yourself, that is very bad. In fact, there is time that I used to flip some account. I just come and overlay. I was just using just market as a broker. They have a very high leverage. So I would have come and taps a lot of trends, and I see them moving. Sometimes I would just get a very huge profit. But I stand somewhere and ask, Mr. Risk, there is, you are creating some problems to your side, right? Because I would come the next day with the same amount. I try doing that, but the market washes me once and I blow the account. Do you understand that? But was I creating a system? No, because this system I cannot replicate it more today, tomorrow. But my 3 rule training strategy, my friend, I can teach you using this pattern that I took, and I will just apply it right now. In fact, in a small, right? Very okay, okay. So I can apply this. I can actually apply the 3 rule method here right now, and I will. Okay, in a small cell now. Well, okay, okay. On my side, actually, I only take, in fact, I only take one setup. If it fails, if this buys, it fails, and the market decides to go sells and it applies the 3 rule method, I can shift the mindset. But if the market tries to range and not to follow the plan, in fact, if the market tries to range at this point, I will not trade. In fact, I will not eventually, I will not trade. I will move out of the trend and I will just call it a day and move. That is how being professional. I don't force issues. When the market it falls to what I'm planning, and to, it's not even to what I'm planning, it's to what my edge is saying, what my trading plan is saying. If it does not apply in this market, I will move out of the market and go and close the charts and tell my people, today I have not seen a trade. I will not just give you a signal to call me guru and to say, hey, Mr. Risk is very good in trading. I'm good in trading when I lack a trading setup. If you want those signals daily, profitable daily, go and watch them, but at your own risk. Do you understand that? Okay. Okay, right? So it's better I take one quality trade, I'm done with it, that I will replicate tomorrow and make money. Remember, here I'm just bringing about consistency in trading. That's what I'm saying. I'm not building here, scamming and coming here to tell you that we must take a trend today. No, no, no. It's better you unsubscribe. It's better you unlike. It's better to move out of the life. But I will not tell you to buy and just because you are buying. I will just tell you to buy after a clear confirmation. If you're not patient in this my channel, move out of my channel. That is very okay. If you can't be patient, we wait for a strategy to happen, you just move off the channel. You will just die out of emotions. You will just die out of fear. You will just die a lot of things. You will just give up, my friend. I can stay here alive for consecutive around 3 hours without the setups. And when it reaches to 4 hours and I have not seen a setup and don't force issues, I close the chat that day. I have just consistently make money for the whole year. So I'm not worried. So some days even I take some losses and I call it Sunday. Sometimes I'm gonna take some sell and I'm stopped out. I'm okay and I don't re-enter the trends eventually. When I trend here live, this is the trend that I trend live here. It is 5K. You will see tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. I will just make eventually. This week I'm gonna make even 6K. I withdraw some withdrawal because I have my daily basis that I need to do. And I have that main trading account in London session. That is the biggest account that I have. But that account I use are literally a very different strategy. It is called the beat market maker strategy that I only look 50 I only look at 50 pips and I analyze using a very lower time frame. In fact, my entry time frame at that point is 5 minutes, and I just trade using the volume times in London session actually, and that one I only trade at VIP. I don't go live, right? All right. Okay, this is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe every time. All right, I trend here live every day at Asia session, specific at the Asia session. At these times, actually, I analyze the market at these times. Boom, when the setup happens, we take the trend. It can run even a whole day. It can run even a whole London session, right? That when we just enter a very strategic play. But once the Asia session is finished without getting a setup, we call it a day, right? Just a wait for London session, but that one is a very private one. I don't go live. I just be focused on my house. I just take the trends using the beat market maker strategy. That is very okay. You can acquire the skills at the description of this video. There is a link there tab. You can join trading community. That is Mr. Risk every time. All right. Alright guys, this is Mr. Risk guys. Eventually I have not seen any trend. For the people who are doing scalping, they have taken more than 20 trends right now. Some people have taken some sales, they are out. Some people have been taking buys, they are out. So scalping is not for easy guys. Stop scalping, bro. Stop scalping. Just enter the trends that will not be ending for you. I will just take the trend professional and I can just have a sleep right now. Okay, I can even relax. I can do something very good, right? People are commenting right down that is very nice. This is Mr. Risky every time. I'm trending currently in Kenya. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time. Guys, it's around 2, guys. It is around 2. Let me take a cup of a tea. And then I eventually take some rest as we wait for the confirmation to take place, guys, and we continue watching and just viewing the trend and viewing how the market is gonna move right now, guys. Okay, this is Mr. Risky. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time. Let me take a cup of tea and come back right now. All right, guys. All right, guys. guys. Alright. This is Mr. Risk every time. Okay. This is Mr. Risky, guys. How is the market right now? Let's see. No confirmation buy for buys is okay, right? Let's see. We're gonna chase some buys to sales, right? If it confirms, right? Okay. If the market confirms, right? We got. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Alright. This is Mr. Risk every time. Let's see how the market moves actually.
Okay, you are right, guys, you are right. But it was buys when confirmation was sent on my side, right? Okay. All right, guys. It's okay. It's all right, guys. All right. It was okay, okay, no problem. All right, guys.